leveraging the power of AI in ET technology. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a captivating exploration of the ever-evolving intersection between artificial intelligence and IT technology. If you're as excited about the future of IT as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's dive deep into the transformative power of AI in IT. Picture a world where machines not only perform mundane tasks, but learn and adapt, making it operations more efficient and innovative. That's the promise of AI-powered automation in IT. From routine system maintenance to intricate troubleshooting, AI is revolutionizing workflows. Companies are now deploying intelligent automation tools that adapt and learn over time, optimizing processes and freeing up human potential for more strategic endeavors. Stick around as we explore real-world examples of how AI is reshaping its automation. AI-powered automation. In the realm of IT, efficiency is paramount, and AI is the driving force behind this revolution. Let's dive deeper into the deployment of AI in IT operations. Predictive Analytics, for instance, enable organizations to foresee potential issues before they become critical, minimizing downtime and ensuring seamless operations. From chatbots handling routine queries to AI-driven robotic process automation, we'll explore how businesses are embracing these technologies for a competitive edge. Join me in uncovering the nuts and bolts of AI-powered automation in IT. Intelligent data analytics. Now let's pivot to the vast sea of data that IT systems generate. AI acts as the compass, guiding us through this data deluge. Beyond traditional analytics, AI is transforming data into actionable insights. From predictive analytics, forecasting future trends to pattern recognition, identifying hidden correlations, the applications are endless. Companies are leveraging these insights to make informed decisions, optimize processes, and gain a competitive edge. Join me as we explore fascinating applications of AI in data analytics and how it's shaping the future of business intelligence. Enhancing cybersecurity. In an era where cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, AI is emerging as the superhero of IT security. Its ability to analyze vast datasets in real time enables immediate threat detection and response. We'll delve into the world of AI-powered cybersecurity, exploring how machine learning algorithms are evolving to adapt to ever-changing attack vectors. From anomaly detection to behavior analysis, AI is fortifying our digital defenses. Stay tuned as we uncover the cutting-edge technologies securing our digital landscapes. Personalized user experiences. Beyond the technical backend, AI is reshaping the front-end experience for users. From chatbots providing instant assistance to personalized recommendations based on user behavior, AI is making interactions smoother and more intuitive. Companies are employing AI-driven interfaces to create personalized user journeys, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Join me as we explore how businesses are redefining user experiences through the power of AI and predictive analytics. Challenges and considerations. While the benefits of AI in IT are immense, it's crucial to address the challenges and ethical considerations that come with it. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, questions about data privacy, potential biases, and responsible AI implementation arise. In this segment, we'll delve into the complex issues surrounding AI ethics and how the industry is navigating this ever-evolving landscape. From regulatory compliance to fostering transparent AI, we'll explore the steps being taken to ensure responsible AI adoption. Future trends and innovations. Now, let's peer into the crystal ball and explore the future trends and innovations on the horizon. Quantum computing, edge computing, and AI-driven robotic process automation are just a few of the exciting developments shaping the future of IT. Join me as we discuss how these technologies are poised to redefine the IT landscape and unlock new possibilities. AI and DevOps. In the ever-evolving landscape of IT, the collaboration between development and operations, known as DevOps, is pivotal. AI is playing a significant role in enhancing DevOps practices. From automating code deployment to predicting potential system failures, AI is streamlining the development lifecycle. Join me as we explore how AI is seamlessly integrating into DevOps processes, fostering collaboration and accelerating the delivery of high-quality software. Stay tuned for insights into the evolving synergy between AI and DevOps. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of the transformative power of AI in IT technology. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech. Stay curious, stay tech savvy,